When we talk about development, most people first think about income. Yes, income matters. It gives us access to food, housing, clothing, and more. But here's a question. Is money the only thing people desire? Let's think of a factory worker who earns well but has no job security or time for his family. Or a woman who is highly educated but not respected in her household. Are they truly developed? Clearly, development goes beyond income. Let's not forget, income is still a universal goal. People want more days of work, better wages, fair prices for their crops or products. With income, people can improve their standard of living. They can send children to school, afford health care, and plan for the future. So yes, income is crucial. It's often the starting point of development. But it is never the whole story. Now imagine a society where women are not allowed to work, minorities face constant discrimination, people live in fear despite having wealth. Would you call that society developed? Here's the truth, people also want freedom, equality, dignity, and security. These are called non-material goals. And often, these non-material goals are more important than material ones. For example, a girl might value her right to education more than her family's income. A worker might trade a higher salary for a safe working environment. Let's take a real-life choice. You're offered two jobs. Job A pays well but is temporary, stressful, and far from home. Job B pays less but offers regular work, nearby location, and a friendly atmosphere. Which would you choose? Many people would prefer job B because of the non-material benefits. This example proves that development goals are multidimensional. People want a combination of income, safety, stability, and respect. Different people prioritize different things, and that's natural. Some may want a car, others may want clean air. Some may demand gender equality, while others may focus on job creation. But one thing is clear, true development must be a blend of both, material goals like income and non-material goals like dignity, opportunity, and justice. A society that ignores one and focuses only on the other falls short of real development. Let's recap what we've learned. Income is essential for development, but it's not enough. People seek non-material goals like respect, security, and equality. Development means a mix of needs, not just money. Choosing a better life often involves trade-offs between income and values. As you think about development, ask yourself, what do you really value? Is it only what you can buy, or something more? In our next section, we'll shift our focus to how national development is understood and measured. Stay tuned.